How to change keyboard on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Simply, I'll show you by opening Gboard. Simply open Gboard and you'll find settings icon on top. Click on settings icon, then click on languages, which is the first option. Then click on add keyboard. You can select any keyboard you want. You can also search from top. After you're done, go back to Gboard. And besides space button, you'll find circle option. Simply hold on to it, and from here you can change your keyboard in this way. Simply click on that again to switch back to your previous keyboard as well. This is how to change keyboard on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.